If you have been asking on how to get Palmpay virtual card, so I just want to tell you in this video that currently Palmpay is not running any virtual card, and they just introduced their debit card as well, which you can also apply for, and it's gonna take between 1 week to 2 weeks before you can actually receive it at your own destination. So you can apply for the Palmpay debit card, which is quite more easier, and of course it's gonna cost you 2,000 naira to get the card as fast as possible. And I understand the fact that virtual card is more instantly than the debit card, so because with virtual card you can actually generate your virtual card as fast as possible. But between, I think you can also make use of the OPay virtual card, since they are currently running a virtual card as at now that I'm making this video. And I believe in the few time of future, Palmpay will also launch their own virtual card, which of course is gonna help you to generate an instant card which you can use to do anything you want online. But then now they are not running any virtual card, and if once they start doing that, we will definitely update this video, and we will let you know how to apply for the Palmpay virtual card without wasting much of your time.